My video guide will provide you with detailed instructions on how to effectively remove the new browser hijacker that is called PerfectConverters. The website related to the hijacker is PerfectConverters.com. In fact, PerfectConverters is the name of a rogue browser extension. After analyzing this piece of software, we determined and established that indeed it operates as a typical browser hijacker, promoting the PerfectConverters.com fake search engine. After a successful installation into our test computer, PerfectConverters reassigned the browser's homepage, new tab window, and homepage URLs to the PerfectConverters.com website. So, whenever you start submitting some search queries, you may soon notice that the results are eventually delivered by some other search engines. Sometimes they are delivered by Yahoo, by Bing, and it is not your choice to use these search engines. However, PerfectConverters hijacker tries to make these decisions instead of you. This is why it is correctly classified as a browser hijacker. Also, the majority of such hijackers may show a lot of advertisements not related to the sites that you visit, and they may also collect some browsing-related data. If you have discovered these PerfectConverters hijacker to be the part of your Google Chrome browser, we strongly advise that you get rid of it. To remove it, you need to delete any suspicious extensions that could be the part of your browser. So access the menu of the browser, go to More Tools, then Extensions. In case you find any third-party extensions here on the list, get rid of them. We also recommend that you additionally research your device with Combo Cleaner antivirus, and the best place to get it is on the page combocleaner.com. Use this green download button, install the application, and then start researching your system with its help. Initially, this software is in the trial mode, so only the quick scan option is available. Click on Start Scan button. In your particular case, the program should first of all update its anti-malware database, and this is crucial for proper detection and removal of any malware. Then, at the end of the scanning, you will see the summary of all the threats which were revealed. You will be able to know their locations, and we do recommend that you upgrade to Premium to neutralize all these threats altogether and automatically. This is the best way to keep your system always free of any malware, adware, browser hijackers like PerfectConverters, and other threats.